Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and get the inside of the M4 completely assembled, and we're also going to be installing the passenger side mirror. Let's get it. Alright guys, so something happened on my camera where apparently it wasn't reading the card right, so it didn't record me taking the bumper off or anything, but I took the bumper off of the BMW and I installed the 3 lower grills. Show you guys from the back. Good thing I bought the OEM grills because this is the washer fluid hose. It goes clipped onto that grill, and then the PDC sensors. So everything's nice. And then the front. And then I decided to go with the kidney grills. I decided to get the BMW stripes color right there. It looks pretty good. So now we're gonna go ahead and install this piece right here. This foam piece just goes over that reinforcement bar right there, and then we're gonna put the bumper back on, and the front end should be complete. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like with all the grills. It looks pretty badass. I got the wipers installed also. So now I'm just missing like trim pieces, like the trim piece that goes right here on the side of the windshield. If you close this door, that window goes up. The trim piece that goes right here in between the glass that connects right here is missing. The interior, the trunk is all set, rear bumper's all set, and then on this side I'm missing this trim piece right here, and also this top one right here along with the windshield one. So that's literally all I need to do, and then it'll be complete. And then I have to assemble the interior because the interior is completely messed up. Like the seats are gone, the pillars on the side where the back window goes, up here, it's all messed up. I gotta assemble all that. Alright guys, today what we're gonna do with the BMW is we're gonna go ahead and finally assemble all the interior, because the interior is completely messed up. Everything's completely off because of when we replaced the roof and we were welding, we didn't want anything to get burned. So I just kind of tossed everything in there. I'm about to take everything out and then start assembling every little thing. Alright guys, so the phone turned off for some reason. My camera died. But I went ahead and got this panel in there. Everything's nice and secure all the way around. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish putting on the other trim pieces all the way around. Let's get it. Alright guys, I cleaned that side up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install this inner panel right there. Plug in the speaker and the lights. Alright guys, so this piece has to go on first before I slide the side pieces in. So it's right here. I'm gonna go ahead and slide it on there. But first, I think, no, yeah, it goes on there. Alright guys, I struggled just a tiny bit, but just like that, all the black pieces in the back trims are installed. Now I probably have this cap right here, the one that goes on that side. I probably have it somewhere, I just gotta try to find it. And then I just have to install the little clips that go in those 4 holes, and then that's complete. But I'm just gonna leave it like that for now and try to finish installing everything else. So what I gotta do now is install this seat right here, because as you can see the bolt is not right there, so this seat is just going everywhere. Let's see. So just like that. I still need some tools to go ahead and tighten that up because I'm missing the right one, but I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. I just want to mock everything up. Make sure everything fits nice. The seats are super dirty. This car's gonna get completely detailed. Everything's super dirty in here. So now all I have to do, I don't think I want to, I'm just gonna put it in here. Well, I guess, yeah, I'm just gonna install everything. I wasn't gonna put this in here because I wanted them to detail all this, but to take the bottom seat, all you do is pull it up. So I'm gonna install the black pieces, leather pieces that go right there, and then the seat. Let's go out here and grab those. One right here. Black piece, and there's another one right here. Alright guys, look at the back. The back is actually pretty nice already. Everything's installed. Literally, I just have to detail everything, get all the leather fixed, all the dirt off, and I have to buy the third brake light that goes up there because that's missing. So yeah, let me install this light right here. I have that light. It's right here. All I gotta do is plug that in right there and then pop it up. Installed. Perfect. So now the headliner is complete except for this part right here. This is where the third brake light goes. I still need to order that piece, but other than that, the whole interior is done. I just gotta put those 2 pillars in there and I should be good. Alright guys, so I got this mirror in finally. It was just this bolt, and there's one behind here. I just took that off and tightened that bolt, so now I just got to put this speaker in there, and I'll show you guys what it looks like on the outside. Alright guys, so speaker's on, screws are tight. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Finally, I got the mirror in. The car did not look complete without it. So that's gonna be it for this video. because I'm still waiting on certain parts to come in. As you guys can see, I'm still missing the window strip that goes right here, the strip that goes over here, the molding that goes around here. I'm missing a bunch of small little tiny pieces. Mirrors right there, it looks good. Here's the inside. Everything's connected, everything's good. Headliner, seats, everything. Third brake light still needs to be ordered. What else? Driver's side mirror still has to be ordered. I cannot find a used one for a good price still. That vent is supposed to say M4 right here. That has to be ordered as well. The strip on this side also. A bunch of small little missed parts that has to be ordered. Alright guys, so I finally got the driver's side mirror installed. It came in last night and I couldn't contain myself, so I just went ahead and installed it last night. And I just want to give you guys a quick walk around of the M4. It's still pretty dirty, it's been sitting out here forever. Still missing minor pieces like the M4 badge right there, the trim pieces that go on the top, same things I mentioned earlier. Look how good these mirrors look. I love the way they look, especially with this little aerodynamic thing right there. They just look so good, so aerodynamic. That's the driver's side one, and passenger side one. I bought them both black already, so they're perfect. They match the car perfect. How good they look. I love this tail, this ducktail spoiler. Love it, the way it pokes up high. And in the back, basically all I'm missing is the tips for the muffler. It's tipless right now, but I'll get those soon. So overall, the build is, I'd say, about 95% complete. Just missing a few moldings and little logos here and there. But other than that, she's running perfectly fine. Beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Peace.